Hey everyone, Regan here from the Xero API team again. I've got another video for you today, and today I'm going to be taking you through a really cool new part of the Xero developer website. We've added a Xero Prompt Library. The Prompt Library is where you can go to get access to a whole bunch of prompts that we've already written and tested and made sure that they work with various AI coding tools. One of the coding tools I'll be taking you through today is Lovable. So we've built a very, very large prompt that will hopefully, in a short space of time, create us a working Xero integrated e-commerce website. I have tested this before. It has been able to do it in 15 minutes or so. So let's see if we can make that happen again on camera. That would be really good. But, due to the magic of television, sometimes things take a little bit longer. This is going to be complete end-to-end. You won't need to know anything previously in order to follow this tutorial, so please grab yourself a snack, grab yourself a cup of coffee, tea, whatever you drink, and let's get started. Here we are in Xero's new look and feel developer site. Come to developer.xero.com. We're going to click on the AI toolkit. Then we're going to click on the prompt library, which is going to take us to GitHub. Don't be scared that it's in GitHub. GitHub is an awesome place for storing things. We're going to click on Lovable. Then we're going to click on e-commerce website, which is going to take us to this gigantic prompt that we've built for you, made sure that it works in Lovable. So we're going to copy and paste that into the Lovable window here. We're going to click on the Go button. That's going to start spinning up a preview for us. It's already starting to write code for us. We've detailed all of the things that it needs to do. We've made it avoid some common pitfalls that it often runs into when we're trying to create this. And in order to get this working, we're going to need some credentials. So we're coming back into developer.xero.com and we're logging in. We're clicking New App. We're going to call this Dev Day, and we're going to create a custom connection. We need to create a custom connection because this is only going to be a connection between this website and our Xero organization. It will never connect to anything else. We need to collect scopes, so we need accounting.transactions, we need accounting.settings, and accounting.contacts. And we'll do accounting.attachments just in case AI thinks we need it, but we shouldn't need that one. So we'll save and connect. We'll come back to our Gmail account. We've got a connection request. We need to click on connect. That will take us to the authorization screen. It'll tell us what it wants to connect to. We'll say yes. Great, we've now got an app set up. So we're going to come back over into developer.xero.com. We're going to refresh the page, and wada bing, we've got our client ID. So we'll come back into Lovable. Lovable wants our approval to make some database changes. It's going ahead and it's making those changes, and then great, we've got our website. Now, we did say it's a beltless trench coat. Unfortunately, the image is of a trench coat with a belt, which is not ideal, but that's AI. It doesn't get things perfect every time. We could work with the agent to make that better. But look, overall, the site's pretty beautiful. It does everything that we need it to do. It's going to sell this beltless trench coat for us. We've got different colors. I'm trying to click on those, but it's not quite working. That's a little bit weird. It's letting me input an order, but it's failed to create the order. So something's not working. Look, this is probably related to the fact that we haven't got our client ID and our client secret in there, right? Because we haven't actually connected anything yet. So we'll pop in our client ID. And now it's asking for our client secret as well. So we'll hop back into developer.xero.com, we'll generate a secret and we'll copy it, come back into Lovable and we'll paste that secret in there. Fantastic. Now Lovable's got everything it needs to create the Xero integration edge function. So it's Lovable uses Supabase under the hood. Supabase is a database platform. But you don't need to look at the code in Lovable, but if you want to, you can click in the code mode and you can have a look at all the code that's there. If you're not a developer, you don't even need to worry about this. There's absolutely no reason for you to go and look at this code unless you really want to. But you can see here we're creating database schemas in Lovable for Supabase, which is pretty cool. And then the edge functions that it makes to integrate with Xero live in Supabase as well. So great. It reckons it's finished all of these things. We've put in our API credentials. should work now. So let's click on order now, and we will place an order. And it's failed to create the order again. So all we're going to do is we're going to say to Lovable, hey, when I click create an order, I get an error saying failed to create. Can you please help me out with that? Lovable's going to think about it for a little minute, but it's found the issue in the logs. It's got an issue with the due date, so it's fixed that up in the edge function. It reckons we can try it again now. We will refresh just to make sure that we're getting the latest version. We're going to click order now. And choose the different options and type in our details, create an order, and cross your fingers, cross your toes, cross your nose. Great, order confirmed. We've got an order. That was pretty fast, right? Complete the payment. And that's going to take us through to the online invoice in Xero where a user could pay us online, and we could get notified of that in our Xero account. Just to prove that there's no smoke and mirrors going on, this is our Xero account. Look, there's the invoice. Great, we can click on it. It's defaulting to 200 sales. Like if we had a different sales account, we could definitely change that around if we wanted to. And yeah, that's done. We can also publish our site on Lovable. So we just click the publish button. It does offer to do a security scan for us, which is really cool, but we don't need to do that. What we can do is we can click on this link here, and that is a website that we could share with customers. We could promote this on social media and we could start getting orders, which, hey, is pretty cool, right? Like that was a really quick, simple way of getting an e-commerce website up and running to sell one single product. So I think that's pretty cool. I hope you think that's pretty cool too. This is the power of the Xero Prompt Library. We would like to invite all of you to please submit things that you would like in the prompt library. If you've made prompts that you would like to share with the Xero community, we'd love to see them in there. You can make pull requests and get them into the GitHub repository. If you've edited prompts and you think that it's improved them, we would love to see pull requests for that as well. But yes, please go forth, use the prompt library, make amazing things, and let us know what you've made in the comments below. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again next time.